welcome to my channel. If today is your first time coming across my channel, kindly do me a favor to hit the subscribe button, put on notification bell so that anytime I post an amazing content like this, you'll be among the first to get notified. In today's strategy, I'm going to be teaching you guys how you can use this Bollinger Band plus envelope to take good entry and make good earnings either on Forex or synthetic indices. Now, please be informed that any strategy that involves mobile phone, if you are a beginner, you are only scalping the market, so you don't open too long so that you don't end up giving back your little earnings or probably risk your capital to the brokers. So always make sure that immediately you make little profits, you opt out from the trade immediately. Alright, that being said, let me show you how we use this strategy to take trades either on Forex or on synthetic indices. Now, if you are trading Forex with this strategy, please always be informed that take note of high impact news. Make sure that the currency you're about to trade doesn't have there's not going to be a news coming up, a high impact news coming up on that particular pair when the signal or the conditions are okay, either for buy or for sell. Now, to use this strategy, we have two indicators in the main chart and one indicator in the window one. Now, how does this strategy work and how do you take the signal? The first thing is that for sell setup, we want to see the red line crossing either the first Bollinger line or the second or the middle Bollinger line. So once it crosses downward, then you open for sell. And in that condition, you will notice that in your window one, your Ichimoku will change from a bullish setup to a bearish settings. Immediately the condition is ripe in your main chart. In your window one, what you will notice is that your Ichimoku will change from bullish, which is the green, to red, which is the bearish. Then it's telling you that the conditions are ripe. Please always be patient so that you don't end up losing your trade or losing the your account. Is that clear, guys? Because when the conditions are properly met, you will hardly lose your earning. You will hardly lose your earning. So please always be patient enough for this condition to come in place. So the condition for buy, don't forget that if you are taking sell, we are only focusing on this bearish which is the red line to cross the top. Once it crosses, then you open for sell, and at that point you will notice that in your window one, price will be changing from bullish to bearish, most usually when price approach level 80 and level 70 and level 80 respectively. So when you backtest now, you notice that at this point price was ranging. So when you notice price is ranging, you just opt out from the market. That means when the conditions are met and price refuse to go towards your direction, then you should notice that price is ranging. What you will see is that price is going sideways. It's not creating higher high, neither is it creating lower low. So indicating that price is ranging. So at such point, you exit the trade immediately. Now the condition for buy, let's see, at what point will you take buy? You take buy when the green line cross above the bottom of the Bollinger Band. So immediately it cross above it, then you execute a buy order. Is that clear? You execute a buy order. So when you execute a buy order, you hold, and when you make profit, you close. And in your window one, what you notice is that you see the changes from bearish to bullish at the level 30 and level 20 of your RSI. The Ichimoku will be changing color from bearish to bullish. So it's very simple and very straightforward. If the conditions are not properly met, please don't for any reason take entry. Now this is it here again, a buying condition. We have this already in place, and what do you notice? Immediately price crossed this, you will have taken your buy around this axis and you will have held the trade all the way up. Is that clear? So this is on currency pair. It also work for the synthetic indices based on boom and crash or volatility. It work for all of them. So alright, now to show you that it also work for volatility, this is volatility 75. Already I have a trade running there before now, though the trade was I took this entry in 5-minute time frame. It was through 5-minute time frame I took this entry. So you will notice that price has been dropping all the way down. Is that clear? You will notice that price has been dropping all the way down. So immediately it cross the first Bollinger line, which is the red line, cross this Bollinger line. Then I took my entry in 5-minute time frame. So this strategy works for both currency pair and synthetic indices. So please, but make sure that before you use this, you backtest it in your practice account before you go in for it. So please, if you are still watching up to this moment and you have not subscribed, kindly hit the subscribe button and then make sure you put on the notification bell so that anytime I post any amazing when I post an amazing content like this, you'll be among the first to be notified. And for those of you who have been inboxing me regarding the software strategy that you can use to trade any pair, kindly check the description below. You see my WhatsApp number. And for those of you who are still skeptical about it, I told you there's no problem. You can go on with these ones I post in my channel, and then you keep leveraging on it. But if you want consistent earning, that means whereby you have good strategy of approaching the market, then don't hesitate to get the software. Just message me via WhatsApp. In my WhatsApp number is in the description below. So when you message me, then if you have any question, let me know about the strategy, then probably explain to details to you and how you can get it. So please, for those of you who are still requesting for signal, at this moment I can't tell you when I'll be coming up, but I just want this community to grow to a good number of people, a good number of subscribers before I definitely create a channel where I'll be posting signals as time goes on. But for now, let's just keep growing the channel and then leverage on these strategies I'm posting. Then if you want something that has more that is more consistent, then don't hesitate to chat me via my WhatsApp number in the description below. And if you are not yet subscribed to this channel, kindly subscribe and put on the notification bell. Now let me show you the settings for this strategy. The first thing is that you click on this icon here. When you click on this icon, it will take you to where the indicators are. So in the main chart, we have two indicators. We have the Bollinger Band. Make sure you screenshot with a period of 40 deviation and then shift 10. You can use the apply to close, then click on save. While the envelope has a period of 12, deviation 0.100, then upper band should be red, lower band should be green. Is that clear, guys? Then in your window 1, to add this window 1, you click on this icon here. You go to your relative strength index. Immediately you do the settings for the relative strength index, it's going to fall on window 1, period 1, then it has levels, Make sure you're using background color because we don't need the RSI line. All we need is the levels. So here are the levels. Make sure you also screenshot it. Then when you are done, you click on save. Then the last one is the Ichimoku with a period of 9 to 15. Make sure you click fill. Then you use the background color for the Tekunsen and Kujinsen. We only need the up Komo and the down Komo. The rest will be your background color. Then you click on save. So once you are through, your chart will give you this kind of settings. Your chart will look exactly like this. Is that clear, guys? Then you start trading with the information, just like as I've explained earlier. Please make sure you subscribe so that we grow this community. This strategy works very well. It works both on currency and it works both on synthetic indices. So please apply and follow instruction. Backtest before going live. Is that clear? Because some of you, when we post strategy like this, all you do is that you go straight to your live account and start trading. And at the end of the day, when you mess up, you look for who to blame. So please always backtest before you start trading live. Is that clear, guys? So that being said, thanks for watching and see you in the next one.